The new project over in Surrey is a garden landscape design and build. It's got a bit of everything. It's got a bit of fencing, it's got a shed base, it's got a patio, 2-3 patio areas, it's got some turf grass and some decorative stone areas. So this is the plan which we are going to be following, and this is the site. So we obviously will be creating a set of steps here. We have got new fencing going around the entire perimeter of the garden up to that brick wall. We have got a set of steps over here which are going to be 600 tread with a 150 riser, working all the way across the threshold here, the entire way across the building, and working our way up. Then we are going to have a patio area here, and we're going to have a decorative stone area here, a lawn area there. We're going to have a small patio area over here, a shed base over here, and a set of steps there. This is going to be a fantastic project, and I am really looking forward to seeing the end result. Sometimes when projects come in front of me, it's not the biggest of gardens, but it is something that we can detail and make it look absolutely phenomenal, giving the client beautiful summer evenings in these fantastic surroundings out here. So we're going to get cracking. We're going to start stripping it back, getting involved, getting the groundworks done, and getting some fencing up, some steps in, and some paving, and you're going to see the progress throughout. Thank you.
Welcome. You've seen G's WhatsApp.
You're welcome.
Hi there. Look, with Rite Pave, you can see the performance that we've progressed.
Fraser, you're going to be next.
You're
You're going to be next, Fraser. I've lost my job. I've lost my job to you, Fraser. So this is the progress. They've cleared it all back, stripped all the fencing back, and now we've got a blank canvas to work with, and we are going to get involved, start setting everything out, and it's going to start really taking shape. Some really nice soil here as well, so that's going to be great for the lawn, and obviously when we add topsoil to it, it's going to be fantastic. So the hole is being loosened, and now the posts are getting marked up for the depth, so we know where the posts are going to be going in against the string line for the depth. The post gets put into position. You can see the string line there, and then the level will be put to the post to check that it is plumb, and then the post mix goes in, followed by the water. This is a fast setting post mix, so it means that you can put up multiple posts and panels of fencing at one time. It's also important to then mix in the post mix with the long shovel so that all the water mixes with the mixture, and it sets pretty quickly. Once the gravel board is levelled, the panel then goes in to the required height, matching the top of the post, and then the process of digging the hole and putting the post in, checking it with the level, putting the post mix in, and the water is then repeated. And as you can see, there is an absolutely fantastic level finish with all the panels and posts going around. Lovely. So here we have the site as it stands with the first bit of fencing in nicely. Look at that, really nice finish and a really good, nice finish to the garden security. So we're going to continue putting the fencing around that perimeter, as you'll see, digging the holes, setting the line. The line's already set, and we will continue that round into that brick wall. You have a patio area there, followed by the steps, which you can see are marked out all across there to give the client access to their home. And then once those steps are formed, we've got a shed base area over in the corner, and with nice retaining brick wall to separate the heights. And there's a shed base in this corner, which we will set out. We will put the required amount of groundwork in, we'll shutter it, and then we will concrete it. And these steps being set out, as you can see how the client will gain access down onto the lower decorative aggregate area. We're bearing in mind the damp-proof coursing for the property. And then the pathway will go across there, leading to the shed base with the lawn area in between, the patio area that will go in there. And a lovely lawn to finish. So as you can see, we've got some groundwork in there, spot boards are set out, and the guys are doing the brickwork for the steps. On top of the footings, there's concrete base in there, and slabs are being laid for the patio area. Guys, the installation over in Surrey is complete, and I am going to show you what we have created. If I can get through the gate. So we have created some nice steps down here. We've got our shed base in, and we have got our little small patio area over here, and we've created this fantastic path that goes all the way around onto these steps, which step up. So there's a nice seating area for the client. They can sit there in beautiful summer's days, not windy, wet days like today. April showers, and a beautiful small patio area over here with the decorative stone, which gives a nice little landscape feel. And obviously we've got the beautiful lawn which we've installed. As you see, this little step up here, done a little render strip to hide the bricks. So an absolutely fantastic functioning garden that the client is going to get enjoyment for many years to come. So please like, share and subscribe. If you like the video, leave in the comments what you think of our installation, and thank you to everyone that has already subscribed to the channel. Most appreciated. Thank you very much.